In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a sublist in Microsoft Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, as you can see here, I have a list of items, but I wish to go ahead and create a sublist under this list. To do so, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and press on Enter on your keyboard to go to the next item. But as you can see, we are not on a sublist, but instead we are still on the list. While here, go ahead and press on Tab, and this will go ahead and push this further to a new sublist with a new numbering system. Go ahead and write or enter the sublist items, and each time you press enter, you will go to the next line. Now, if you wish to go ahead and create a sublist under this sublist, it's also possible. Microsoft Word allows up to 9 sublists on a document. To do that, just go ahead and press on enter, and this will take you to the sublist. But because we want to create another sublist under this, go ahead and press on tab, and this will move this further to another sublist under this sublist. Go ahead and enter the item and proceed with more items. And if you want to go back to the main list, it's also possible. You can go back by just pressing on enter, and this time round, go ahead and press shift and tab, and this will move back one step. To move further, go ahead again and repeat the same by pressing on shift and tab, and you'll be taken to the main list. So that's how you can create sublists in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.